Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Do Not Disturb so calls stop without airplane mode. Open Settings and tap Focus, then Do Not Disturb. This blocks incoming calls and alerts. Once done, decide if you want a scheduled window or immediate activation, and set silence to always if you need no sounds while using the phone. Make sure to remove any allowed contacts, otherwise those calls will still ring. These steps immediately prevent interruptions, but preserve data and Wi-Fi connections. Next, you refine who can reach you so only intended callers get through. In Do Not Disturb, tap people and remove favorites or groups you don't want to bypass the silence. If you must permit an emergency, enable Allow Repeated Calls. 2 calls within 3 minutes will ring, otherwise switch it off. Also check apps permissions to stop VoIP apps from sounding. These choices control why some calls might still come through and give you precise behavior without using airplane mode. Finally, you lock in the setup and test behavior. Add focus filters so apps and home screen pages align with Do Not Disturb, then use Control Center for quick toggles when plans change. Make a test call to confirm silence. If a call still rings, check VoIP app settings and allowed contacts again. If problems persist, restart your iPhone and, if needed, reset focus settings and recreate the profile. That resolves most rule conflicts and restores expected call blocking without airplane mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.